City Traders Imperium Prop Trading Honest Review. Watch before using. You won't believe how many traders lose money because they never get access to serious trading capital. And that's where City Traders Imperium comes into the picture. City Traders Imperium is a proprietary trading firm that provides funded trading accounts to qualified traders. Instead of trading your own money, you trade the firm's capital and split profits. Here's what most people get wrong. They think prop firms are easy money. In reality, traders must pass evaluation challenges and follow strict risk rules. City Traders Imperium offers structured funding programs, coaching, and clear profit split models. Traders must demonstrate consistency before accessing large funded accounts. However, the surprising truth is that discipline is required. Breaking risk rules can end your funded account quickly. City Traders Imperium is best for traders with proven strategies and strong risk management skills. The surprising truth is that capital access changes trading potential. CTI helps bridge that gap. If you're serious about trading and want professional funding, City Traders Imperium is worth exploring. Subscribe to the channel for more trading platform reviews and investing tips.